What's going on, YouTube? Back with another video, man. Today we actually have a sponsor, man. I want to give a big shout out to maxspeedingrods.com. They have a lot of performance parts that you guys can check out online. Check out their website. They actually sent me a set of LED side markers for the Corvette. As you guys know, Corvette's side markers are pretty much these bright red markers right here. Mine's currently have a tint overlay over them, so they do look a little darker, but it's just a tint overlay, so that can easily just be peeled off. And they're not LED. These are regular bulbs, so they probably only light up in one little spot, and it just kind of like, you know, it looks kind of ugly. It's not bad, but I'm gonna go ahead and unbox these from maxspeedingrods.com, and these are the LED side markers. All right, so these side markers do have pretty much OEM fitment, just like the OEM ones up front. They tell you from right and left. I believe they use the factory harness that's on there, just one connection. And then these actually have a full LED strip, as you guys can see, all the way through. So these are gonna look really nice, and they're smoked, so they should look pretty damn good on the C7. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out a rear one so I can show you guys and mount it up right next to it so you guys see the difference. All right, so there's the stock one, and then once you remove that one and then you install the LED one right there, so much nicer, man. Already just mounting it up next to it, I can tell it's gonna be so much better. I'm not gonna have to worry about the little tint overlay falling off or anything like that, because these are already smoked and ready to go. These are nice, man. I appreciate it. Huge shout out to maxspeedingrods.com. Go check out their website. I actually do have a discount code from them. It'll be HT Nerd, and that code will get you 15% off anything on store. So they have more stuff than this. They have turbo kits, shoot rods, valve springs, retainer kits, everything you need. It doesn't have to be just a V8. There's stuff for all kinds of cars, every different vehicle that you need. And I really appreciate them sending that to me. And they're actually doing a giveaway. They sent me a safety belt harness for anybody that needs it. Message me on Instagram and just say you're in. Make sure you're following me on Instagram, subscribe to the YouTube channel. That's all I ask. And then I can get that sent out to you. And I'll probably add in a carbon fiber license plate cover or something with it. So I appreciate them, man. They gave me something to give away to you guys, and, you know, sent me these markers to try to test fit on the car. And, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and go to the shop and try to get these installed. So these are how the OEM ones look while they're on the car. I mean, you only see these two little lights right there. That's all you get. And these are how the front markers look. As you can see, they're just this orange marker, and it's just tint overlay over it, which is kind of coming up in some areas. So, I mean, once I get rid of this and I can take this off and I can just install the LED marker, we'll be good to go. All right, guys, we just made it to the shop where RPM Exhaust, man, out in Arlington. Shout out to him, man. Shout out. You're on my YouTube channel, bro. You know, I'm gonna put you on there. He's gonna go ahead and attempt to put these side markers on there. I don't think you need a lift or anything. You just turn the wheel. I think it's like 3 bolts. Just pop it off, take those off. And once we get it all cleaned up, I'll pull it outside, put it in the sunshine, since I know you guys haven't seen it with the V-locks in the sun. But yes, sir. There you go. It's pretty easy. What, 3 bolts? What size bolts were those that we had in there?
They're 7mm.
3 7mm.
Yeah, 3 7mm heads.
Took these out of there, popped it out. It's like, what, 3 clips?
Yep, 3 clips.
3 clips. And then here's the comparison between the two. So got this stock one with just a tint overlay, and then you got the actual LED strip one, which should mount right in there. So let's try that. It snaps right in there. Right? Yep, snaps right in. Fit too. Same as the other side, guys. 3 bolts right here. Just take these 3 off, then access it and pop it right out. And guys, you can compare this to the other side. This is pretty weak. Right here, you only get 2 little bulbs, and then the whole opposite side, you get a whole LED strip. That's way better. All right, now we got the fronts installed. We got the 2 rears. You already popped this one out for me. Pretty easy, and then just swap the back ones out. So it's on there.
Yeah.
Okay,
this
cool.
one went in pretty small. Gotta wiggle that clip in there a little bit.
Pretty easy. Put right in. Way cleaner too. Like the other one before had this overlay, so it's pretty thick. But that one is super clean. Nice. Rather than these two little dots right there, man. Across to the other side. Got a whole LED thing. Check that out. We got the LED rear side markers. We got the LED front side markers. As subtle as they are, they make a huge difference. So make sure y'all go to maxspeedingrods.com, use HT-NERD. You get 15% off on their website for any parts on their site. If you got a C7, you can order these side markers or anything else they have for them, and they are nice. But yeah, man, there we go. We got the light side markers on there. Oh yeah, you can see them during the daytime too. That's crazy. The LEDs make a huge difference, man. Yeah, that's nice. Definitely check out maxspeedingrods.com. Appreciate their support, sending me these LED markers. Make sure you use the code HTNerd, 15% off. Check out anything on their site, man. We're gonna give him a quick hit, man. He helped me put the side markers on real quick, so I'll try to clear out some traffic though. I know we got the wheels on here, but it still be pulling a little bit. Shifted a little early because I was getting nervous because I couldn't see over the hill.
Dude, that thing's insane.
How you like it, man?
Dude, you're gonna make me clear my bank account out and call you an Uber home.
Oh man, I tell you, it be scaring me sometimes. I ain't gonna lie. It's looking sketchy, dude. You a little bit?
A lot of it. That thing pulls, man. I've been in some fast cars, man, but that thing pulls.
And it's crazy because it's just like, it's continuous.
Yeah.
Like I let off, but it had a lot to go. It had plenty to keep going. So I appreciate it, man. I'm glad you like that pull. Yeah, no problem. Of course, anytime, man. Appreciate you coming and let me install these side markers. Kind of beautiful Z06 friend, man. He pulled up on me with cruising out, man. It's black and yellow, Batmaned out, man. That's nice, man. If you see it on my video or something, wherever you are, that's beautiful. I like that. I think it's cammed as well. I think I heard it chop at the light. Let's see if we can catch up to him at the light. Oh yeah, I hear cam. I got one too, my friend. Okay. Sound pretty good. Sound like I hear Pro Charger. I want to do a pull. I hear that blower. I hear it. Oh yeah, I hear it. Oh, pretty good. I like it. He ain't ready though. We got two vets chopping in traffic, man. Oh, nice, man. You don't never see this. It's pretty cool, man. Shout out to this guy. He's pretty cool. It's a Pro Charge Z06. Sounds like a damn jet. Sounds real good.